In this part, we'll start by deploying our web portal. So let's start with the new project. We'll create a new project by importing our code from the GitHub. Just make sure Netlify is authorized to use GitHub. We'll select the Enatega organization, select our repo, and then food delivery. You can enter any site name that you want. We'll start by admin dashboard dash demo. Just make sure it's available. If it's not, then you will have to do some kind of modifications in the name. Then you can select the branch you want to use for the deployment. You can use any custom branch, and then the base directory where your code exists. Since I have multiple projects, I need to specify the project. So I'm deploying the web, I'm deploying the admin, so I have to select the admin directory. And for the web, you just need to change the admin to the web. Enter the build command, which is npm run build. And the published directory would be a subdirectory inside the admin directory, which is going to be the build. Just make sure everything is correct. If you want to enter any environment variables, you're more than welcome to do. Just click on deploy, and this will start deploying your admin portal. Just wait a couple of minutes. It may take time depending upon your internet speed or your package of Netlify. You can see the log over here. Okay, so our app has been deployed successfully. Now click on the open production deploy, and this will open up your admin portal. Click on login, and this will log into your application.